ko Egypta yentem ko sa ono na direct wo say kotena baabi ani a yentem ne ko o se me mehye mabofo amana behwew ewo ho mehye amoma behwew why anene why obofo why okunani. This is the God that we are serving. I want to urge everybody. The enkabe boy say ye bebre ya so se na etie de orka. Ena mi jiro wo so de tumi mu bom pa ye ma obi a wotie me. Ade a eya wo wiase. David asema da bia orka ye on answering prayer. So wo pe direction na wunya. Eno de eya Yejina Matthew chapter 2. Yano bekasa afa Jesus Christ, Joseph, Mary, and a Herod until it dies. Ebrebia yebeshia nwumre mpaebo ni bia me ma wo ya aware say Yesu ba ye say enipa no ade bie wo say nipa famu bia ofamu bi. Enti so far as I nyanko heaven na yaji Yesu adi eda so te Ghana hana ye nipa no ye ekon bi battles bi wo a etwa se yeko eno de se wanyina ugidie konkron so na wa mompai na wan kosa akon na saade no ebeto. When we talk about death, we are talking about separation. Yo ewu ahudo bebre ene wo ewiase. Your physical death and your spiritual death a lot. But this week, baby, I boy around a powerful. Remember instances and examples bebre ba. Ubehunu say it's not easy at all. Until it dies. I just say a answer. I just say a answer. Until it dies. I just say a answer. Ansana or JB Abba. Even Jesus Christ, before any pa ever found his way young kwano, it will be called so answer. There was a time that Rade Mammy Mistress be Bako Abayes wonu be wuyeno. Any kwan ye fast with the benya access to the kingdom na ye di nyankwa na it was so powerful. Bible no making it clear Old Testament say Erade ne yere any Israel or can straight entina apamda dem yehunu say Erade yere any Israel ena opese oba New Testament ebe ware church eye me no mienu ekwan be na obefa so na se e wo se separation bi ekoso wansa sa separation ni so no the best way eye ewuo se enipa nyawu pa old covenant ebreki na wakohye new covenant mi nti na wo so onyankopon ebewu na osa asore owu na osore de aware first one agu na atime nyakwan aware second wife no. I'm say wow. And when we talk about death, we have so many types of death. What you say more, it means something. Young kind Matthew chapter 2 verse 13. Ye ni me say na ofri ho koi na hwe. Erade bofo yi ni ho ekere Joseph dayemu say sorry fa abofra no na fa no yaka abofra papa ne maame ne da e de saade ne ba abofra eye ejapade abofra eye nshira enti let's take it say odi yemfa bibi enyina ho ade bia fa wo Kristo som no fa wani onyam no fa wadwuma no fa wo sika no fa wo ma no fa wo kunu no fa wo yere no fa wo ministry no fa wasofodie no ade bia ena anwumere udi begina ho na ye de abom pae no is over to you baha osteti say fa abofra no sa abofra we maka kire o say adeɛ wei na Mary ɛde baa wiase a ɛsombo ɛno na abɛgye nkwa ɛno na abɛbrɛ borɔne ase ɛno na abɛbie ɔsoro mfɛnse ama yɛ ɛno na ama yɛnya ɛkwan to the white throne ɛno na ama yɛnya kwan a yɛrekɔ enti adeɛ ne da hɔ yɛ so ɔmo mfa no ɛyɛ wiase nyinaa gya padeɛ bi a yɛde maa nipa baako ɛne ne kunu ɛkɔdii wɔ mu nsɛm enti na Awurade yɛ much concern about saa agyapadeɛ no a ɔde agya Mary ne Joseph no munti asɛm no yie saa akwaraa wei nti yɛ reserve asase to hɔ akwaraa wei nti yɛ reserve afunumu to hɔ akwaraa wei nti yɛ reserve disciples egu hɔ akwaraa wei nti yɛ reserve brodoma edua ɛto hɔ akwaraa wei nti yɛ reserve fish ɛto hɔ because of Jesus ɛnneɛma yɛ reserve Jesus nko nti na John the Baptist aba wiase biem I'm telling you enti saa deɛ na yɛde kyɛ Mary ɛde ba wiase no na adeɛ no ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛsombo ɛnyɛ adeɛ bi akeke ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛsombo adeɛ a ne bo ɔden that is why a ɔbaa bi timi da ne ba so kum na ɔbaa bi ma yɛka sɛ wagyimi no enti yɛwɔ nipa bi a woba wiase biara no Awurade ɔnyɛ pasia obia wɔ something special a ɛyɛ gift from God a saa de korɔ no ade aba wiase ɛno na wɔsɛ wo protect ɛno na ɛno ne wabrabɔ ɛno ne wo nyinasoɔ obi wɔ hɔ a Awurade kyɛ ne nnwom to ansa na wɔba wiase ɛno na wo be invest wo be protect on it obia wɔ something special yɛde akyɛ no it might be say unni physical unwoye betima abasa onam fam unni ba unwoye but you still have something precious from God or the amount obia oba wiase bia say unya abotre na do ani to forma you can see ubehu de enti Awurade ache obia ade a ode aba wiase saa de ni mu eno na wo nhira wo saa de ni mu ena wo breakthrough ewo saa deɛ ni mu ɛna wani onyam bɛfira ba saa deɛ ni mu na wiase di bɛhu enti ti asɛm ni ye Awurade peki Israel sɛ ɔmu yɛ ne man enti na onni ɔmu ho agorɔ ɛna wabɛkyɛ Mary akyɛdeɛ a yɛfrɛ ne Jesus Christ ɛna obi pɛ saa deɛ no asɛe no obi pɛ saa deɛ no aku no yɛnkɔ ɔse ofiri hɔ kɔɔ na hwɛ Awurade bɔfo yi ne ho kyerɛ no Joseph daim sɛ sɔre fa abɔfra no take it sometimes you need to change an environment obi wɔ kora otimi kɔtrɔ mam obi timi kɔtrɔ mam wodi ne duru airport pɛ no wa release obi wɔ timi kɔtrɔ mam ofa ne duru mpoano o change environment pɛ once we feel release and sometimes change of environment kasa papa enti abrofo aware omu atimi mu omu yere mu akwanya ne kunu akwanya say go holidays me hu say uluku stressful rest change of environment kasa papa time a Yesu duru na busua fie no ko ne kurom Bible say the room see receive no see welcome nti ama Yesu ntimi a flow nti wanyansa nkyane pi wo ofiri hokoi dia make catcher no take it serious was it take the baby fa abofra no na mumfiri sometimes both physical and spiritual it was a change of environment to be AC change of environment to be a preserve a protector because mpanifo krase ani ehuna enyetan enti toda na hu se problem bi koso uya ebi wa adwuma no ba bi a wo ye no obi wa o change environment obom pae enye divine direction o change environment na breakthrough bae onya sa direction na o change environment na eno ano no abrofo na toda ubunso wo hwa no move from Europe no about Africa also about for good. Esi papa eye dwuma Abraham Radika say move se sayre no ma move free leave this place. Or catch it home. Ya catch the Lord to say, oh no, you don't know, mumfree Sodom and Gomorrah, mumfree, munya fast. Na mi busa sente Awurade need to me say. Said ye o man 10 time cover David so ehun enti Awurade ntimi save ne ma edrum pempen so Onyankopɔn ka kire Lord say leave this place. O ka kire Abraham say leave this place. No be ka kire Mary and Joseph say take the baby and leave this place. I pray for obia utiemia wadru point you need change of environment ebe save ebe to charge you nansu uhu because problem the entire ensolve no ebia you need change of environment ebia because one of the healings Bible mu it works juma all the time. Brothers and sisters, I know what I'm sometimes experience increase our knowledge. Experience be able from but the best teacher is Holy Spirit, is Jesus Christ. He always give directions. He always give directions. He always give direction. And you need to take your work. Abraham says, "Baby, I was soon better na yetena." And found say, "I will make to ha me free ha, machawa debi. Obi wa oba Ghana enu na bema na yeye. Obi so kwa abrochire enu na bema na yeye. It's all about the direction. Enti Awurade ka kire Abraham say take the baby, take your family and leave this place. But omo beduru point of confusion na kola bi kan ho all frustrated no. Akra ne tin ne ho free no one Awurade say take this place. Omo gina ho no ba bia eho ye na lot efaye. Because of say na Awurade kan hu nti no okoma ni si niye. Enti say Awurade ka say oba bless wa madam emfon say eye kurase ana eye abrochire say uye lucky na ono na ema direction to change environment we ana at the normal sense ne so sa pepepe na tie abrabo bi wo ho situation bi wo yare bi wo ho u change environment wo hutimi to u change environment wo hutimi to utimi nya yaresa yade bebre wo ho ebi wo ho enya durosem obi wo ho ohia rest ohia ensesaye obi wo ho wo sesa na duane obi wo ho wo sesa ni kura wotim eno ano no obi wo ho kura asole na wotim na abaye suntudu ama no he need to change our so osesa ebre bi Mary Awurade mfa ne kra nsie ye ma asole baba ko ne friend sister Mary eboase ni bia o tie mi bia ni sister Mary na ochi kosua ewo oboase na mefiri kumasi ba anadubu a 1 12 2 no da so ochi kosua enti na mi hunu wa sorry one day ena busa sister Mary ade mi hunu wa che ena sofo mi nko ba bia o ba enamfo a mi wo ewo pillar of Zion wo metwa me ho hye oboase omumwo mi Kristo som no enti ma twe me ho afiri omu ahyada akɔhya asɔle bi mu epese me di nya stand bi ansa na mababa na so what a word na muntie adia a shocking the whole church and say sister no say no wo hu se wo bewu se senyo se no wo hu se wo bewu minima de kro o se nkrofo bi atwa no hia entimi mane nsakira omu asole dem wo na sister Mary twe ne hu firi omu me so me yosofo me nya sofo a me ye that type ne say obi ma asole anaso wo so obi ekọ aha okọ mountains nti me kochiu enye de ya me kan kire ba se oso wa kanya nsasem wo ya kire wo se da na me ma ne kwan afi okache ne sofo ba bia me kwan no kra me timi leading paibo one day me ne share one on one and was sofo say and they are private o kan sem ni nyina kire me 1 month pepe Sister Mary yeah owura be frame me Sister Mary na am say hey asem o ka kire me na asem ni mu du o se de ntia o twe ne ho free boase say ne namfo bi atwa ne ho ahia o mu ntimi mane nsakira se na o bewu asema me kan boase ni bia o enim asema me kan na sister no e change enti wa sori a wutim kura betimi ayi suntu dua ama another of maame bi ewo krom a awurade aye na dom akɔware billionaire bi Pentecost of bi a omu kyekere kuro kɛseɛ abɛyɛ ministry ɔso wɔte wɔ one day na awurade say o move free the church na on consecrating him for 1 year ɛma no ɛna ɔkɔhyɛ adumfa ɛto ne ho punum for 1 year day a 1 year na ɛso na ɔte hɔ na papa bi epie ne so no sɛ madam awurade asoma me ha sɛ me mmra me yere no ha obi a wotie this story metima abodi the friends of Mami Dodua awurade ahyɛ n'animonyam fɛfɛfɛfɛfɛ enti let me tell you, sometimes change of environment be the breakthrough ba change of environment it be the healing biba enti even God support change of environment awurade jitum enti wase suntu dia beba de nam so beba enue enti saha na meye suntu dia mu nyina mu ya agidifo mie no edu point a Paul ne ba na ba awurade mu separate oka twom so obi amfa ne ba bi oma Abraham any Lot separate say obi amfa ne ba bi. It's not a crime. It's not a crime. Any crime. It's not a crime. Into a say, take the baby. Far from for what Japadi and for what Jumano, for mano, for kun change environment. Blacks, you suro change of environment. I'm telling you. And I'm at na ana matana bombe bra so fo ba ku bia bra bi kia man transfer oka che se hwe me ma ho de do so matana krom ha che mi ntumi nda ne me ho kuma se pa de mi ntumi nko matana ha che ma ho de do so ba awurade na yesom no ni hu una anim se we na ye o enso bia na bibi kese bi pa di wanimu a ode kodomo but you don't know we serve a God that or a second God me ade ye me depa ne se meti se awurade se ye we eno de wo wie o sati said dan ana masua de bi wo awurade wo hu se awurade nkwase asem krase ne nipa nyansa and most of the times so or start bibia e look foolish before men untia se da ade bi awurade ye ne wo bible bi ye ne wo start ya na hu entia se hu ne na basa ubehu na akowie se ha sese ne no person that is why ade bi efire awurade bia ejina and so we bam ti say den ebegina bemfre awurade a oboa opa ye den enyina ebegu ento ase mfre awurade a ebegina emfre awurade a ebegu o ka kire ne man say mun free this place mun free ana mun ko ba bi foforo enti Yesu Kristo he supports change of environment obi a wutie me say bra yade bi da so wa apply drugs near the adina usasela change environment and see obi wo wa uhu se unya daya hodo enwosra bia wo so but still things are not working change environment and see obi a wotie me bia nim dia make and to say awurade bofo yi no di kire nda nim say fa bofra no enene na mun dwane nko mizirim ebrebi na me ka kire obi say ayamum yensusu nkasa na the awurade dia man mama yenye no because even God Jesus himself sometimes he directed us to ungodly people etoda awurade ka kire okan no Matthew 23 say mun ko farisifo nchen mun kwa omu kanse bi mun tie but omu suba ma mun fa with condition sometimes even God direct us to those people Bible Mizirim jina homa wiase o say onue ono odo ho twe ni Mizirim ahoden okan but here awurade etoda Satan timi bof kwan ema awurade fa so de ye na dwuma owia no wagya ne hokọ but awurade bob kwan a Satan timi mfa so da obi a de obi ebia do ye YouTube onye kristoni enso ya de je nkwa ebetimi abase de bi oye TikTok onima awurade enso ye nam so preach de je nkwa ebetimi abase de wo bi radio station na o preach wo so TV no do preach wo so no ebetimi abase onima awurade enso awurade afa no so de je nkwa enti sometimes ayamum ye reserve kakra ma hypocrisy ni right self righteous too much etoda okan Jesus say etoda kura monkofa ahunyade a entini ni bia damfo na mo kire ma oagyemo akom dafiem Mizirim ɛyɛ baabi a egyina ho ma wiase ɛnso ɛto deɛ ɛden a Awurade ɛsɛnde ne ba Jesus ɛwɔ Misrim. He will protect him over there. Awurade akwan ɛnyɛ one. Moma yɛn kasa Awurade na akwan yɛ one o. We have only one way, that is Christ. But when you enter Christ, there are many mountains, there are many ways, there are many miracles, there are many doors. There are into Asibita. I'll give you the keys of the kingdom. We have one Jesus, but different dimensions in him. Enti say yambre yan wasi anye di ansha na kwan ni de opese oye ne ya do see be depend on one system policy da ho da na eno enye kwan must fast yeye na be fast yeye hwe munhwa de hwe ne fe ekwan Awurade afaso a wama double abeye star where the whole world wako football match yetimi na two screens to the whole world. And the double is well known everywhere. A dear na ya papa we yona. Dear ebia ya wo double obeluku down upon him obesu. Na so hwe esikafuo bi ni mpanimfo bi ni asofuo bi mpo enuru ba bi adabo aduri. Enti we serve God onye one way God. Was say fa abofo na mo nko Misrim. Me say this week until it died. Some things must die. Change of environment must take place. Na yenwe munje Awurade masona we yehunu say ampa he's faithful onte se me amete hei onte se wa wutie mi se wote se me amete hei eno te se wa wutie mi ya bra ani bre ne ahoye a ahye ye meya enipa nkoso eye ya enka ye nyina ye tie nyina ka nyina obi enuru ba bia waduri nanso na kwan nya ya kwan na dwene enye ya dwe enti wuntimi nwene ma no ose fa no ne ko Misrim. Why Misrim? Menya ba bia nkose Misrim. Se Awurade na edaroto se ko Egypta yentem ko se ono na edaroto se ko tena baabi ani a yentem ne ko o se me mehye mabofo amana behwew ewo ho mehye amoma behwew. Why anene? Why obofo? Why okunani? This is the God that we are serving. I want to urge everybody. The enkabe boy say ye bebre ya so se na etie de oka. Ena mi jiro wo so de tumi mu bom pa ye ma obi a wutie me. Ade a eya wo wiase David asema da bia oka ye on answering prayer. So wo pe direction na wunya. Eno de eya because Jesus deal with direction. Onyankopon he deal with direction. He deals with direction. Enti nanwumrei ose fa abofra no na mundwane emfiri ha na munko Misrim. Obi biara edru point you need change of change of environment. Obi edru point you need direction. Oh mercy. The Lord should show you mercy. The Lord should visit you tonight. He should show you mercy in the name of Jesus Christ. Obi biara se ope akontuo direction, ope ministry direction, ope award direction, ope ema, ope awade, ope adwuma ade biara ehia se edru se you need to change environment na do breakthrough eba. Take it in the name of Jesus Christ. Yantuaso, I hope say what catch a point na maame mfa wontuaso enti wo say fa abofra no na munko Misrim dwane eko Misrim na eko tena ho kosi say meka ma kirewo na Herod erehwehwa abofra no akuno ewo Yesu Kristo di mu ade biara ehwehwe wo Jesus akunu ade bia ehwehwe wo Jesus wo prayer life akele no ade biara ehwehwe wasomdwe akele no ade biara ehwehwe wo marriage akele no ade biara ehwehwe wo ministry akele no your Herod o Herod do biara ofiri wo maame abusum ofiri wo yere abusuam ofiri ministry nim. What is this? Ofiri mantam ho a o chehyew ewo Jesus Christ udini mu ewo Jesus Christ udini mu. We don't know your kind of Herod yamma wa let say ope oba ne kunu ope oba ne kunu oba eye wanigye oba eye wa hoodene oba eye what do you call it we nyina so enti ye pesade no akunu in the name of Jesus Christ. Me barade mpaye de ma obi biara ba biara o Herod no all father se wo wura jadiem ade bitimi to ma fa bi muda. Now you don't feel like praying, you feel like giving up. Sometimes you feel like insulting God, you feel like cursing yourself. Now who set you way be to end up. But Elijah, now he wanted to give up, he wanted to quit. Because I said day he wanted to quit, he wanted to give up. But that moment the Lord said, Master, your time is not yet. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. But I'm telling you, we serve a God. The only thing you can do, we remember only one thing, that is prayer. We remember only one thing, that is God. But adia ma ye de radia sene say emba ye tirim say enhwe nyame foforo bi achi kwanda, no matter what, say okuye kura ye hwe won wa. Osifa abofane na mundwane na Herod bi penekunu opakola we akunu enti fano Yesu Kristo na reveal secret say obi pewakun anu bi pewakun. Paul say manya ho bone me wa ha. I am here, don't kill yourself. We are here, me wa ha enku hu manya ho bone. Why do you want to kill yourself? Because when you say prisoners in Inako, also don't kill yourself. We are here. I had the years say, Fabo Frano, Namunyan and Herod to be a penekun. Herod to be a penekun. Take the baby and run from this place. Mesre Rade de Maubia Utiemi. Minima dear person a coon near Radia Yonkofa. A dear person a kill prayer life. What tiase, my prayer life is dead. What tiase, but the joy in you is dead. It's Mary Madary. Who say he can't find Jesus anymore. The living Christ and and he went to the cemetery crying, calling back that Jesus said on some because we're missing. I don't know. So hopefully okay. Those days how you used to go to evangelism now solely a year don't broadcast fellowship anamu ye ewo fie one kasa okay say something be sorry e chase sa asumdue na enunti wo give up we jam wato Satan adwuma otimi ya ne se oya hunahuna etoda sa wonam na se kraman e chase na ukuta semena na u jai semena no to forma ontimi mfa nya hwe enso be mo wagya hɔ akɔ ade bi Awurade dia ma bia Satan osoma ontimi mfa nya hwe et sakraman enya semena enso obegye ato hɔ ama wo ho akyerɛ obegye ato hɔ ama wo ho akyerɛ enna menu ewuram ni abompae tie me this week until it dies eno ne yegina so this week fa ko bompae mame nkan si fa abofra no na Herod erehwehwe abofra no akunu na osore efa abofra no ne na anadwo no na ofiri hɔ kɔ Misrim ɛhɔ ara kosi sɛ Herod ewuye na de Awurade asɛm na modifo no so kan ye no abam mɛfrɛ me ba afiri Misrim mɛfrɛ me ba afiri Misrim. They waited till Herod dies and then ye bɛbɔ mpaeɛ adeɛ biara me bobɔ so akyerɛ hɔ asi Bible mu bebree adeɛ biara etwa sɛ efiri hɔ na anionyam no ɛyɛ clear na anionyam no ɛyɛ straight na ɛkwan ni mu ɛda hɔ because John the Baptist ɛbɛ clear nneɛma bi firi Yesu anim obɛkum nneɛma bi firi Yesu anim ɔbɛ destroy nneɛma bi firi Yesu anim ansa na yɛhene no ɛte asim ɔse now take the baby and go to Misrim wait there until you hear say Herod ewu ansa na da bɔfra no aba back ɛnɛ ɛwɔ Yesu Kristo din mu adeɛ bɛn ɛna twa sɛ ewu adeɛ bɛn na twa sɛ separation bɛtɔm ɛma otimi hu Awurade anim onyam ye adeɛ bɛn na twa sɛ wɔne ne ntam ɛte ansa enti are you not eager for the glory of God hwɛ sɛ wo develop God's spirit a wohunu sɛ Awurade ayɔnko fa wontimi mfa adeɛ biara ntoto wohunu sɛ Awurade ani onyam wontimi mfa Awurade biara ntoto wohunu sɛ Awurade mu anigyeɛ wontimi mfa adeɛ biara ntoto wohunu sɛ Awurade mu tumi wontimi mfa adeɛ biara ntoto enti David say you can take everything that I have but never take thy spirit out from me, oh Lord. I can leave everything, but I can't leave you. Baby, Peter must say, Papa, una what down quantum. Ye jaw hona ya kohin, ye bomb parka cherry say, or said the odoba, a yere, a kunu, a chairman on Timmy Yamishani, and until Deuteronomy chapter 13, verse 6, or says, Sauma mi unia wa down for be, a dad at the Joe say my young cosumia me for fra, or see a winning mobo and peneno. He was talking about separation.